been a journey. It's been a journey. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be loyal to what you do. You feel me? So we get into it, man. You know what I'm saying? So it's been a lot of learning, y'all. I've been learning. I've been investing my time, been reading, and I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about that. Sorry about this light, yo. All right, so I already started a little quick workout. I did 100 curls on the curl bar. So let's get it, man. Jersey representative fan, you heard? We starting to incorporate this curl bar a lot more. I'm saying, damn, that light is whack, bro. Man. This is all real, bro. It's about. I'm saying, I'm using today on the curl joint here, by the way. This is 15, the big plate's 15, so that's 30. And then the little plates is 10, so you got 50. And then the bar probably like, I don't know, like 5 pounds or something, nothing. Don't worry about that. So we pretty much doing like 50, let's say 60 pounds. Curling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Full, real extended curls, you feel me? To the chin, down, the chin, back down to the hip. Real curls. And if you're using more, use more. If you're using less, use less. If you don't have nothing to use, get a broom. Find something. Go to Walmart. These curl bars are cheap. Find a family member who is no longer using one. Real talk. No excuses. Let's go for 20. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's hot as hell, man. It's just hot. Let's get into speaking positive about ourselves and in our lives. No more speaking negative. We are kings and queens of this earth. Ladies, you're queens of this earth. Feel me? Fellas, we kings, bruh. Facts. We gotta live like that. Honor each other. You know what I'm saying? Give credit where credit's due. Help each other where somebody fall, pick them up, bruh. Facts. Unity, dog. Go for 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know what I'm saying? We gotta try to get right now. We're trying to get right. We want to get better. Want get better at our craft, man. If you need to get some water, get you some water. Here we go for 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Yeah. I already did 100. No bull. You know what I'm saying? I already did 100. So I'm smoking myself on this a little bit. But that's how you get better. That's how you get stronger. That's when the gains come fast. Smoke yourself, make it consistent. Consistency. It doesn't even matter what the weight is at that point if you're consistent. Because the muscles are gonna come fast. Man, do your research. Anybody tell you. It doesn't even matter. You can do 25 push-ups a day, but make sure that they're consistent and around that same hour. I promise you, you'll form. Now, of course, I'm being exaggerated, we're saying 25 push-ups, you know what I'm saying? Of course you want to do more. And if that is what your max is, then try to do one more every time. Every hour do one push-up or do 25 push-ups every hour. You feel me? Until you're getting that extra push-up, extra 2 push-ups, an extra 5 push-ups, an extra 10 push-ups. Facts. I do not like the bar, yo. But the things that you don't like, that's the things that you need to do the most, because that's what you need the most work on, probably. Facts. We here to get stronger. We're not trying to be half-assed. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No BS on my curls. Probably at the end, probably a little jerky, but for the most part, my curls was down, 10 toes standing still. Bam. Let's get it. You feel me? Like, so that's what it is. Next set, I'm gonna do a set of 50 of Knuckles Get Over Here. Watch him. Nah, I'm throwing some more weight. We about to do the Knuckles Get Over Here, yo. I'm just being funny, but I really don't even know the name of the real exercise I'm about to do, but I'm about to show you. Got the 25 iron. Put the 25 iron plates on there with a 15 fittings, you heard? Facts. Pardon me, but this is real. So, now, exercise book right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That iron is real, you heard? That's why a lot of people do play with calisthenics more. That iron real. Sometimes because it's a fear. False evidence appearing real. You get that more. You get that working. I'm cross balancing the weight right now. I feel with the iron and the plastic. Only what's in the plastic is sand, if you're wondering. So there are a place to open it, and that's what'll come out. Whew, that's real. That joint hurt my back, bro. Like, so, I mean, but we here for gains, so whatever. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it for the next set of 10. 1, 2, 3, Mm-hmm. Yeah. We trying to eat. So we gonna eat. That's facts. You just gotta work with what you can work with. I'm on a journey now. I could do PRs right now. You know what I'm saying? And put on hella weight and go crazy. I'm just working, try to get some definition, you know, lose some weight, look good for the future. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? This is what that is. I'm just trying to get it. All right. Next to the 30, yeah. You gotta get it. Get it at your own speed. If you was dusting me, good. Good. Good, yo. But make sure we getting the exercise in. You see, as I started to get a little spent, I'm yakking. Yeah. Get it out. Get up there. You feel me? I feel like it's working under my pectorals, which is your chest or whatever. I feel like I know my back getting it right now. But, you know, I feel like your chest, your triceps back there. You know what I'm saying? So, pretty much is a good exercise, especially if you work construction, anything like, work for a garbage truck disposal, you know what I'm saying? The truck disposal spot, all that. Let's get it. This is for 50. I mean, pardon me, 40. Pardon me. This is just my journey, bro. Because I myself have never really played with the weights. You feel me? You feel me? So, sorry, I had a message. Pause. Look like he's doing some other junk. Oh man. Whew. To God be the glory, you heard. It's hot. Let's get it. It's at 50. Thank you. 1. Hey. Oh. Get it. Woo. Whatever. It's my journey. So I'm gonna get it my way. And we're gonna keep growing and keep getting better. That's what it's all about. My body gonna get better. See any changes? So, anyway, no funny stuff. Next, we will start working on this. Getting up here. See if you was wondering what that was. Yeah. Pull-up bar, everything. Do my leg curls, whatever. You'll see what I'm talking about. We're gonna get it. Let's get it. Jersey representative M. Watch the journey. This is real, this is raw, man. So no cuts and all.